Hey guys, welcome to a very exciting video. This is the first video in my Vlogmas series. So, if you've been living under a rock and don't know what Vlogmas is, I will explain it to you quickly. Vlogmas is basically where you post a new video every day for the entirety of December, from the 1st of December all the way up until Christmas. So technically it's not the entirety of December, it's missing out like 5 days. But you know what I mean. So, me being a very new YouTuber, I've only been doing YouTube like properly for a couple of months, I cannot manage the entirety of that. I'm sorry, I cannot post a new video every day for the whole of December. That would just like kill me. But what I am going to do is post 12 days of Vlogmas. So I'm going to be uploading a new video for you guys on my YouTube channel every 2 days. And they will be on the even days of the month. So the 2nd, the 4th, the 6th, the 8th, etc. And I'm going to be doing a combination of vlogs. So what I'm getting up to, I've got loads of exciting stuff planned. And also makeup looks. So I'm planning to do 4 or 5 Christmas-based makeup looks in addition to 5 or 6 vlog style videos if everything goes to plan. This is something I have put so much planning and effort into, you have no idea. I'm kind of stressed about it, not quite sure if it's all going to work out, but if you're seeing this, that is a good sign because this is the first video. And I thought what better to do for my first video than to just create a traditional, classy, full glam Christmas look. So this is incorporating all the things that I think are really Christmassy. It's got a red lip, of course, it's got a highlighter, glowy skin, nude eyes, big lashes, bold. I just love it. So, if this sounds like something that you are going to be interested in, then please do subscribe, do keep checking up on my channel for the new videos, and keep watching this video, and I will get right into showing you how I created this look. And we're back to a bare face. Hello! So as you can see, I have already done my brows. That's all I'm wearing at the moment. So I did my brows using the Anastasia Dip Brow and then carved them using the P. Louise base. Pretty standard, what I always use. Today, I'm going to try something new. So you guys know me, I always do my eye makeup first. Always. Never start with the skin makeup. But today, I'm going to start with the skin makeup. So I'm going to start with the most important step, I think, for foundation, which is priming my skin. And I'm actually going to use a skincare product before I start with makeup. So I'm going to use the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Face Serum. And this is just going to help to add some glow to my face before I get started with the actual foundation. Now that that is done, I'm going to use one of my all-time favourite primers, which is the NYX Honey Dew Me Up Primer. And as you can see, I have also actually used quite a lot of it up just because it's one of my favourites. Now again, I'm going to try something slightly new that I don't always do. I have tried this before, but I just don't do it like all that often. So I'm going to mix my foundation with an illuminator. The foundation that I'm using is from Colourpop and the illuminator is Iconic London. So I'm just taking this little eyelash case lid thing, and this is where I'm going to like mix it together. So I'm going to do, oh my gosh! I just got that foundation absolutely everywhere. Let's try that again. So I'm going to put a bit of this foundation. This pump is not behaving itself. There we go, got there in the end. A bit of this foundation onto the eyelash case. It's dripping down the side. And then I'm also going to take 1 or 2 like drops of this Iconic London illuminator and just drop them onto the foundation. Now I'm going to take this nice dense brush from Unicorn Cosmetics and I'm just going to mix this together. Okay, let's get it on my face. I'm now going to take a big blending brush and just blend all of this in. Okay, I think it is now time to move on to concealer. So I'm going to use the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer from Too Faced. Okay, that was quite a lot of concealer that I just put on my face. I mean, let's hope that it all blends out. Oh, I forgot to mention the brush that I'm using to do this is the Real Techniques highlight brush in 413. Normally I am 100% a stick contour kind of girl, but today I feel like doing a powder contour. So first I'm going to set my makeup using a pressed powder and then I'm going to go in with a powder contour and just go around the edge. The pressed powder that I'm going to start off with is this powder from NARS and it is in the shade Eden. And I'm just taking this Morphe X Jaclyn Hill JH07 brush and I'm just going to sort of pat this into my face. I'm focusing on the areas that are most likely to crease, so around my nose, around my eyes, mouth, tiny bit in the middle of my forehead, but then I'm also going to pull any excess down to the rest of my face. I'm now moving on to my contour, and I'm going to use this Morphe 8L palette. I'm just going to use like a combination of loads of the shades from in here. And the brush I'm going to use is this dense angled brush, again from the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill collection, and this is JH04. Now I'm going to do some finer details using the contour, and I'm going to take this Colourpop E1 brush and just start working this into some of the finer details of my face. Just because I like my makeup to be quite like clean and defined, I'm going to take a loose setting powder now, and I'm going to use Huda Beauty Sugar Cookie. And just using this Morphe sponge, it's dry, I'm going to use this to define my contour line and also around my nose. By the way, I think that this is one of the most satisfying parts of doing my makeup. Doesn't it just make it look so much sharper? And then I'm also taking a tiny bit of the powder, I'm just getting it on the side of the sponge, just like this. And I'm going to use it to sharpen up my nose contour. Now using a big brush, I'm just going to blend out the rest of that setting powder that I still have on my face. We're now on to the final step of skin makeup, which is highlighter, and I'm going to use my new Bare Minerals highlighter in Free. It's just this gorgeous goldeny, silvery, light shimmery highlight. I absolutely love it. And the brush I'm using is Morphe x Jaclyn Hill JH30. Here we go. Oh, that is so pretty. Ah, I'm so obsessed. Okay, skin makeup is done, so it is time for the eyes. This is my favourite bit. I always start off my eye makeup using a base, so of course I'm going to go in with the P. Louise base. What else? And I'm just going to put this all over my lid. So now I'm just going to blend this out using the P. Louise black brush. The palette that I'm going to use for my eyeshadow is this Morphe 25D palette. So I'm going to start by working into my crease using some of the lighter shades in this palette and this Round the Blend Beauty Babe brush. Now that I've done that initial blend, I'm going to start working into the outer crease using darker and darker shades. And basically the effect that I'm trying to go for is dark on the outside corner and in the crease, and then making it lighter as it comes towards the front. I'm just going to do it, you can watch. There isn't really much I can say about this, except you guys can just kind of see what I'm doing. I'm now going to take a tiny bit of this base, again this is Rumour 01, and then grab this loose flat brush, and I'm just going to get the tiniest bit of the product on the brush and start loosely patting it into the inner corner. And now using this Beauty Babe Brights palette, I'm going to take this white in the corner and another flat brush, and I'm just going to add on top of that layer to just brighten up that inner corner a little bit more. So there you go, you can see what I was trying to achieve. I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye just because it's going to be exactly the same, and then I will be back to do lashes and lips, and then we're done. Okay, we have both eyes done. I'm really liking how this makeup is turning out. I'm going to do lashes next. I just did a line of eyeliner along my lash line just so that the lashes like blend better into my lashes, if that makes sense. Does that make sense? Was that English? I don't know. But now I'm going to put on the lashes, which are from Doll Beauty, and they are in the style Flinny, and I'm also going to use the Doll Beauty glue. So I'm going to make sure to leave this to set a tiny bit for about 30 seconds before I put the lashes on. And now I'm going to put the lashes on using my Doll Beauty tweezers. And there we go, one of the lashes is on, so I'm going to do the other side. Lashes are done, and I know it looks like there's been quite a drastic change, but I promise there hasn't. I just did bottom lash line with eyeshadow and mascara. It was all very standard, just using the same sort of shades that I used on my eyes. And now it is time for lips. I feel like these videos are all about stepping out of my comfort zone, so I'm stepping away from the nude lips, as painful as it is to me, and I'm going to do red lips. I'm going to use a combination of Suva Beauty Besharam and also Anastasia Neon Coral. Oh god, wish me luck. How long does it take for me to mess this up? The lip lining is done, so now it is time for the lighter shade in the middle. Never used this lipstick before and it looks very bright, but let's try it. Yep, that's bright. Wait, we're done. I got really cold, so I just went and put my cardigan on, but this is the look done. What do we think? I personally really like this look. In fact, I like it so much that I actually don't want to take it off, which is going to be a problem because I have a rehearsal in like 30 minutes. So I'm only going to be able to enjoy this for like the shortest amount of time, but I think I'm definitely going to do this makeup again at some point. I feel like this would be the perfect like full glam Christmas party makeup. You could even add some glitter if you want. Like I'm tempted right now to go and grab some glitter and just put it like on the inner corner or something like that, but I'm going to leave it as it is because I feel like I'm gonna fiddle with it and then I'll mess it up and I won't like it anymore. But I feel like there's so much that you could do with this look to make it more or less. You could just do the eyes in a nude lip, which would make it much more casual, or I don't know. But this look just sort of screams Christmas. I love it. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video, maybe following along. If you did, please send me some photos because I literally love seeing when you guys recreate stuff. Let me know down in the comments what you thought, what other videos you want to see, and I'll try and get them done for you. But yeah, that is it for this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!